Good morning, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I really need to catch that ferry actually. Got a big exam this morning. That was close.
Alright.
How you doing?
Alright.
Love a Daytona. It's a dry morning. I hope you're all doing good. The roads are a bit damp and we're taking a bit of a different route today because the day off work, but I got a very big exam, a 10-hour exam. It's not actually that bad, but it's I'm hoping to get it done in a lot less time than 10 hours is the plan. Put back on the Fazer, the FZ6 Yamaha. This is the 600, not the FAL. Because I thought, you know, 1000's a bit much for a first bike, first proper bike anyway. We are dangerously low on fuel. Forgot about that. Well, I'm not going past the petrol station, so that's fun. I'm away for 2 weeks as of Saturday. So I'm going to have 2 weeks off. I haven't got any videos queued or anything yet. I might try and space out the daily riders where I film 3 and upload them over the 2 weeks or something and have like 1 a week. Just to keep the content coming. We'll see, I might just do them daily and then have 2 weeks off, but we'll see. Yesterday morning I could barely see out of my visor. Just such heavy rain, low cloud, mist. Not a good morning for motorbikes. Got my first MOT booked actually for motorbikes. I've never MOT'd a bike because I've owned 2, but in the time I had them they've all had full MOTs basically, so this is the first one to go through its MOT next in a couple of weeks time, end of the month. We're looking for some upgrades for the Fazer this morning. I've got a big long list of bookmarked, a bunch of tabs on my computer of different upgrades that I could do for this if I wanted to. I think I'll try and rattle off the ones I remember. There's a flat bar install that a lot of people have done, like an actual straight bar. There's apparently the wrist positioning on the bar on this isn't very good, which I agree. It makes your hands like tip in slightly, so it puts a bit of strain on your wrists. I reckon the noise is a wheel bearing. Someone suggested it to me the other day. Like, oh, it could be a wheel bearing making that noise. I reckon they're right. Because it just did it when I pulled the clutch in. The noise was still there. The sort of whooshing sound. Which would make sense. I guess things need doing like that. It's lowered Mazda. I do like a Mazda. Don't think I'd ever own one anymore. I did when I was a proper car fan, modded car fan, but now I'm more of a motorbike sweat. I say more of, I'm completely a motorbike sweat. I fucking love motorbikes. 110 miles, the most I've done on a tank without refueling. Terrifying. We're in unknown territory. Risky. Yeah, because these bars want you to kind of be like this, which is not ideal. I have my palms just sat on the back side of the grip, which is a bit odd. It's kind of putting strain on my forearm more than I need to. And then if you hold them as the bar intends, the positioning's fucked because your hands are like bent inwards. Thought he was going to try and do me there. Yeah, thanks for tuning into Motor POV. subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, go and check out some other content if you're into that sort of thing. And I'll catch you in the next Daily Rider. Peace out, guys.